Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have some new mud flaps for my Tesla Model Y. I don't know what year I have, but this is for 21, 23. I had this one on here, and you can see it's totally broke, and it's got that hard plastic, and it was just junk. But check out this new one here. It's like smaller, better, and it's got flexible stuff on the bottom, so it's not gonna, so when I hit a curb, it's not gonna just totally knock the thing off. How cool is that? Really nice rubber. It totally clips on there. Great. This is awesome. I'm gonna go switch out all the other ones, but this is the best. I am so glad I'm switching this one out. Totally. Thumbs up. Okay, so I took them all off. See, look, I got all these nasty old ones. So the new ones are in here. This one here had to screw in a little screw in the bottom, and then it had two of those little push pins. Actually, I didn't even tighten up that screw at the bottom. That reminds me, I need to tighten this up. So really, there's just a little one. It came with a little wrench to do it, and really just around and around and around until it's screwed in here. And then, boy, I didn't tighten it at all. So we are, oops, now where'd it go? So there. Okay, that's on tight. And then these ones up front, all they required was the clips, and it kind of clipped into the side and stuff like that. But look, these are great, man. These are solid and awesome. So totally thumbs up. Great thing.